folks, I have the last instrument for August. Because remember, I'm working ahead before my hand surgery, and so this is, I believe, the last one I have to finish up. It's a 5-string banjo, made mainly of curly cherry, and it's got no tone ring in this one. It's just an all-wood rim. It's a really lovely sound. And the cherry, this all comes from the Carpenter Ant Stash in Portland. This was originally cut for grandfather clocks. I got some nice, beautiful, subtle curl in the neck there. The rest is Pistachio. Went for kind of a darker piece on this one. It's got a nice graft here, which I really like how it looks. And it's a goatskin head and non-steel strings. It's a really great setup and sound. I'm enjoying playing it. Cherry's lighter weight than maple. It's got some brightness like maple does, but it's got a little growl and a little cool texture to it that I really like. Yeah, this is number 921. I'm really proud of it. It's for a customer who we'd never met before, but then we just met him at an event in the UK, even though he lives in Maryland. So kind of cool to get to meet the customer before we even deliver the banjo. Yeah. Anyway, 921, all done. Cheers, and I will see you folks with September instruments.